And I sincerely feel that this is a forum where we have youngsters talking to youngsters. Somehow students are able to relate better to students. They find you elders and they know that you share, you're the same generation, you share similar thoughts, aspirations, and so I think children are able to relate better to you than it would be to any of us. And I think, in a lot of cases when children are able to relate better to the other person, I think they are the very natural self. So they are actually able to, if it has to be playing pranks or it has to be, issues of concern that they need to discuss, I think they would be more, open with you because, you are more age appropriate for them, if I could use that term. Secondly, I really can't say whether there has been any transition in this particular section of students that they have spoken to, because I'm yet to get a feedback from teachers and find out how we relate compared with the other sections. So I won't be able to tell you that, but what I can definitely tell you is a couple of sessions when they organized, and after that I went down because I wanted to be sure that something is actually happening. And what I did was, we have these ethics classes. So the easiest way to accommodate was to put them go for ethics classes, because at the end of the day, what are you teaching? The essence of what they were trying to impart to students was how best to manage emotions. And I think that's a very big aspect that needs to be, the very fundamental aspect that needs to be handled. So that was happening. And the third thing that made me happy was a group of youngsters from the school, coming out of your way. This is an issue of social concern. And I think working, making a plan, doing your legwork to make sure that you are able to implement the plan, and actually coming back for a review. And the first day it was Gaurav and I think Mohit, and then subsequently they were joined by more. So it really makes one think that one of the premier B schools, actually concerned in doing something for society, for children. I think that was that thought itself brought a lot of joy. I have nothing to do with Gaurav, he belongs to another institution. But the very fact that these youngsters are doing something, you youngsters are doing something itself gives me a lot of joy, and I would like to go out of my way and support you all in whichever way you all can. So that's what I feel about this initiative. The second question that you asked me, for how many months that I've known, I think it was a little before summer vacation, when in February when they discussed the project with me. And I thought it worthwhile, and I agreed to have my school be a part of the pilot project. And I think it was a little after summer vacation that they actually started taking up a couple of sessions. So that's how long I have known this team. And what was the third that you...
I think you covered it. First one.
Yeah, because helping students manage their emotions. A lot of the problems that we in society stems from the fact that children don't know how to manage their, at this stage, what is depressing for a child? It could be poor grades, poor academic performance, it could be a broken affair, or it could be, parents quarreling at home, which would have poor impact on the child. So if a child is able to, actually understand how I must behave in a certain situation, and what is right and what is wrong, I think it would, not just what is right, what is wrong, but then if there are low grades, does it mean the end of life? Does it mean the starting of a new tomorrow? Somewhere that understanding, and I think no better way of doing it, because all of us at some point of time experience failures in life. It's just that you need to make the child be aware of that. You need to put him on the platform so that you realize that he and you, me and you are the same, and we've all gone through this. So I think it's a wonderful program, wonderful initiative, and I must tell you that I'm actually have been talking to a few people, and I've mentioned your organization, so they are also keen to, see how they can rope you into their activities as well. So don't be surprised if you have a few more people approaching you, and I think you can really join hands and make this a very big organization. And I mean, this would be a fine way of setting a trend for even your young, the batches junior to take forward.